Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents BBQ Chicken Wings. Step 1. Chop, soak, wash and clean. Cut the chicken wings as shown. Repeat same procedure for all. Put chicken wings in a bowl. Squeeze some lemon. Add teaspoon of vinegar. Add cold water. Mix well. Soak in water. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then wash and clean wings, plucking the hairs off from the wings. Place chicken wings one by one on paper towels. Dab and pat them dry with kitchen towel. Once they are completely nice and dry, put chicken wings in a mixing bowl. Step 2. Preparing dry mixed spice. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix well. Step 3. Marination and bake. Add dry mixed spices on wings. Combine well. Add remaining spices. Coat properly. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of Szechuan chutney. Add some oil. Give it a good mix. All wings are nicely seasoned. Cover with cling film wrap. Let the chicken wings marinate for 1 to 2 hours in a refrigerator. Line parchment paper in a tray and place oven-proof wire rack on it. Brush some oil so chicken wings won't stick. Place them on rack with help of tongs. Chicken wings are ready to bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes each side. Or you can also air fry them 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit each side, or cook until it's done. 20 minutes done. Now flip the sides. As you can see, some of the wings are not coated well. Apply leftover marination. Pop them in an oven 20 more minutes. Place the cooked chicken wings in a mixing bowl. Our wings are golden, crispy and tender. You can also have it like this, they're delicious too. Keep aside. Meanwhile, let's make the honey garlic barbecue sauce. Step 4. Making honey garlic barbecue sauce. Melt 20 grams butter. Add 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 tablespoon hot sauce. 1/3 cup barbecue sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Keep stirring and simmer 3 minutes. You can add chicken wings here and cook until sauce caramelizes. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Pour the luscious sauce over the chicken. Toss them very well. Place again on the same rack one by one. As you can see, some of the wings not coated well. Apply leftover sauce with help of brush. Again, pop them in an oven and broil it for 5 more minutes to caramelize the sauce. So, the total baking time is 45 minutes. Our juicy chicken wings are ready to serve. Time to plate. Brush same sauce on a dish that we've made. Place chicken wings. Garnish it as per your choice. Sprinkle some cilantro. Some green onions. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Twist and turn. Bones will come out easily. Here, you have boneless wings. They're moist, tender, and juicy. All chicken wings are moist, tender, and juicy. It will fall apart. You try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.